we're gonna go into our desk pigeon. So I'm gonna take my one leg up and I'm gonna put it on my desk. Now, you're thinking this might seem really weird if you work in an office, but let's make this the new normal, because this is an excellent stretch, especially for everybody that spends a lot of time seated. And if you work in an office, that's probably you. So you're gonna slide the back leg back as much as you like. And if you're a little bit shorter, you might need to come up on your tippy toe, or you could always stick a book or a yoga block underneath your foot. If you're someone who's a little bit taller, that's not me, but you could bend the bottom leg a little bit more to deepen the stretch for you. So you might be just perfect right here, hanging out in a nice tall variation of this pigeon stretch. You're welcome to let your body start to fold forward if that feels fine for you. And you may also enjoy coming into a little bit of a twist here. So twisting around towards the bent knee, either staying higher or starting to fold forward here. And again, we're gonna feel this right in the glute, the buttocks of the leg that's lifted up on your desk. Perfect, and come on back to the start. We'll sneak our leg.